Hi, myself is Vijay Lakshmi from the BGMIT of Mudod. Today we are conducting the FEM lab in that the experiment number 7 simply supported beam subjected to the uniformly distributed load. Our aim is to obtain the shear force diagram and a bending moment diagram and the reaction of force at the support for a rectangular cross-section beam having a 0.2 meter into 0.3 meters, the Young's modulus is 210 gigapascals. Now we have to write first the given variables, given datas, area. We have to calculate this area for this rectangular beam 0.06 meter square. The moment of inertia formula has given bh cube divided by 12. We get the answer this much. Height of beam they are already mentioned here 0.3 meter. Young's modulus they have given 2.1 10 raised to 11 Newton meter square. We have to convert this gigapascal to the Newton meter square. This is the drawing for the this is the drawing of the our beam. The point A and B, which is the simply supported, and the load is applied for the A to C uniformly. It's a 12 kilonewton per meter. Now we have to solve this problem in the answers. The analytical method you have to calculate first. Preference, structural, free process, element type, add, delete, add. It's a beam. I am taking a beam. In that I am selecting the 2D elastic 3. Okay. Close. Real constant. Add. Okay. In this I have to enter the beam parameters of area, moment of inertia and height. Area we have already calculated 0 sorry 0.06. The moment of inertia we calculated 0.00045. The height of beam they have already given 0.3. Okay, close. Now I have to put up material properties in that material models: structural, linear, elasticity, isotropic. 2.1 e raised to 11. It's by default 0. Modeling, create node, inactive. Node 1 it's a 0, x0, y0, z0. It's the first node. Second node is a to C. A2 it's a 4 meter from the for y axis. Apply. Node 3. A to B it's a 6 meter in a x axis, y and z 0. Okay. Now I have to join these three nodes by element auto numbered through node 1 to 2. Okay. Next through node 2 to 3. Okay. Now I am giving the boundary condition of a beam, load, define a load, apply a load, structural, displacement on node. Node 1 and 2 it's a simply supported of UI direction. It's a simply supported UI direction. I'm applying the pressure on one element on beam. Select an element 1. Okay. Put a I to J. It's a constant 12 kilonewton. Okay. Now the problem is defined. Go for a solution. Solve. Current LS. Done. Now you get a result in a general prospectors. Element table. Define a table. Add by sequence number. SMI SE 2. Apply. SMI SE 6. Apply. SMI SE 8. Apply. Okay. 12. Close. Now plot result, counter plot, line element result. For taking the combination of 2 and 8, you will get a shear force diagram. This is the shear force diagram. By getting 6 and 12, you will get a bending moment diagram. This is the bending moment diagram. These two diagrams you just compared with the analytical method. Then least result. Go for the reaction solution. All elements. Click. Fx and z direction reaction force is 0. Fy direction reaction forces like this. You just compared with your analytical method. Thank you.